Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we can start drawing in Inkscape. So Inkscape is a drawing tool or designing tool. You can draw anything, any diagram here. So first of all, I'm opening a new document. So if you have already a SBC file, you can open here, load here. So this is the new version of the Inkscape. So that is why it looks gray and black, something like that. And I like their user interface, right? Like for this version. And this is the main drawing area. Here we see a white rectangle box. So this is basically when you want to draw here and print anything, you can do anything within this rectangle box, this white box. And you see the surrounding is a gray color. That means the area you see, which is infinite. And basically what I do, I draw anything outside this white rectangle box, because I can use the space and zoom in, zoom out anytime. So, and I can move the drawing anywhere. So I would like to use this huge gray area. So let's start with the few basic things. Today I'm going to show you some basic tools here we can use, and we might need to use this tool for drawing purpose. And I'm one by one I'm showing you the tools. Sir, this is the rectangle tool, this is the actually circle tool, and this is the another tool, 3D box tool. So one by one I am showing you, and in our our further video we will show the use case of all the tools here. And today this is the very first video for Inkscape drawing. I'm planning to create more videos for every designing tool, and how we can improve our drawing, and all other basic things that we should know when we draw something like that. So it is easy to learn about the tool. This is the very basic thing. So I think we don't need to waste time for showing and learning about the tools. So better to move drawing something and learning. So today I'm going to show how we can draw a rectangular box, and how can we put color, the border color, the fill color, and how can we export the diagram. And so these are the most important things I would say when someone draw diagrams. I think when someone draws a diagram for a researcher can draw a system architecture or something like that, so, or flowchart, so everything is possible here. So, and this is the actually so now I'm taking the select tool first. So whatever you want to do, you have to select rectangle tool first, the select tool first, and then the other tool, if you need, you can pick that one. And now I am drawing the rectangle box. Actually I see here the rectangle is not actually the rectangle because of round shape corner, and I have to make it normal rectangle. So I have to put it back the round. Yes, there is a way of changing the corner towards the rectangular corner. So there is another tool below of select tool. So you can put this small circle to the corner, and you see that now it is turned to the rectangular box. And the fill color is almost black and not full black 100%, because I see there is the opacity is percentage 71% something, so that is why it is not full black. Though I selected the full black color. So we have to increase the opacity, then we will see the color is more, the color will be more intense then. And so for that we have to change the opacity to 100%. Yes, I would say whenever you need, you can change the opacity like based on your color intense, what you need. So now we don't need, I mean initially or most of the time you don't need to change the color opacity. So here I changed it to 100%, so now it is full black. And you can change the size as well, and you can change the color, fill color, whatever you want. I mean at the bottom of this Inkscape I mean software, or you can say it's so drawing tool, at the bottom you see the all colors are here, all fill color, whatever you select it will show as a fill color, the box fill color or circle fill color, so whatever you draw. And there is another option for coloring, so I will show you next. And now we change the color to different color, we can remove the colors as well. So now it is changed to black. So there is another way, I mean changing the color at your right side. So fill color, okay, we selected the fill color, and you can, I mean check the combination of different color with RGB. I mean we know the color code, so you can use the color code whatever you know. It could be the I mean hexadecimal code. So and I mean I will talk about more about color so in our next video. So now I'm showing like how changing the color, I mean affecting the rectangular box color, I mean fill color. So we can also, I mean make the border, and we can put the border color as well. So there is a option, you can enable the border, you can disable the border. So you have to select the stroke whenever you want to show a border, and you have to increase the thickness. Now we see there is a the thickness is 1, so you can increase by pressing the plus button, or you can put a number, I mean whatever you want. You can check like trial by trial basis, I mean multiple number, you can put the whatever you think it is fine. I think for here I just for showing purpose I put here 5, and we can change the border color as well. So it is up to you what color you prefer and what color you think is perfect for your diagram. I will show you again like the border shape, or you can change the border shape as well, like the dash border, dotted border, or what you like. So you have to like go to the stroke, I mean you have to go to the stroke style. Below you see a dash option and multiple dotted line or dashed line. You can uh, pick pick that up, and you can select, then I mean instantly you will see your border style or shape is changing. So I will talk about more later the other options. Marker, I'm not doing anything like with the border, like I think you understand about the putting the border, changing the border style and the color as well, the fill color. So if you want, you can increase or decrease the size by holding any of the corner of the box or any of the side of the box. There is a mark, I mean there is a arrow mark in the all, I mean fourth sides. So you can, I mean pull, and you can to the, I mean the left direction, right direction, and upward, downward. and you can reduce the height and width by putting the height size and width size. I mean, we see. Okay, now I'm showing you the how you can change the orientation of a box. So here we are changing the orientation of the box here. So there are multiple orientation changing tool here. We can, or I mean, rotate it left, we can rotate it right, and we can flip it top, I mean upward or downward. So to understand the rotating left or right, we are creating another box so that we understand, oh, I mean the different color is changing now, because it is understandable when you put the different color. The green color will be left side and the other one will be right side. So, and you have to group the both boxes, because both are separate individual. So how we can group that? When you group these when you group multiple shapes or figures, you can treat those as one figure or one, I mean, shape. So now we selected I mean both boxes, and then I will like make those as a group. So for that I have to, I'm right clicking the mouse, so there is the option group. Then now if we click once, I mean either one, you will see now, I mean both are one single selection. So you can, if you want to rotate or change the orientation look, the yes, so this is actually, I mean flipping. So I mean left to right, and there is another thing right down to, I mean up, but it will not, you will not understand here because it is only, yeah, this is a rotation. You can rotate 90 degree, you can rotate 180 degree, 270, 360. So to understand that downward and upward flipping, you have to create another copy. So I'm creating here another copy, and I have to change the color. So if you want to, whenever you see that this is a group, and if you want to change color or specific one shape, so we have to select the this tool and change the color now. And you can easily change, you don't need to ungroup now to change the color. So you can easily change one's color when there is a group. So this tool will help you to change the color, and also some other things. So I'm changing the color for both, and I am creating a group for all four boxes. So again I'm creating group, yes, so this is the group. Now if you select I mean either one, it will be selected as one single figure or single shape. So if we want to see how clipping is work now, yeah, we can easily move all four boxes once. So if you want to, now we flip, yeah, upward and downward. So it is I think when you are drawing something, this tool might, I mean might need, I mean for you to change the orientation, because most of the time when we copy something, and like this orientation needs when we want to show some error, so like left error or right error, so we copy one error and we change the orientation towards the left or to our right. So that times that this tool helps you to do that. So today we are done here, and I think in our next video we'll come up with a new drawing techniques and the uses of other tool and the other options which are really useful for our drawing basically in Inkscape. So it is not too hard drawing in Inkscape, I think. If you see the basic things, if you know the basic things, then you can easily start with this drawing in Inkscape. I think it will help you to draw as is a free version. You don't need to depend on any online version or paid version, or whatever your drawing you need, the system architecture you need, or any flowchart you need, or any figure you need, you can draw here for your research paper, and for your any kind of purposes you can use this figure. Thank you so much for watching this video. I mean, we will see in our next video. Stay with us.